Hello, year 11s. This video is a video tutorial to show you how to build a quadratic equation graph with GeoGebra and using sliders, okay? So the first thing you have to do is write this. It's very important that you go to the classic version of GeoGebra. Otherwise, you won't know how to do that. Well, we close this, okay? So the first thing we are going to do is insert sliders, okay? Do a bit of zoom out so we have a better vision of the quadratic graph. To insert sliders in GeoGebra, you have to use this button here. So you click here and then you choose slider. Then you click where do you want to put the slider here. And well, the first slider is A. We are going to write a minimum value of -10, a maximum value of +10, and the increment 0.2. Okay, so we have our first slider. We are going to do the same here for B. The same, -10, 10, and 0.2. And another one for C, -10, and 10. Just remember, you just need to click first here slider and then here you click in the place where you want to put the slider, okay? Perfect. Now we are going to, with this feature here, you can move the graphics view, okay? So you can put it wherever you want. I'm going to put it here. Now we are going to write to create the quadratic. For that, you click here in input and then you write this. Y equals. The coefficient for x squared is going to be a. So you write a. Ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, and then you have the quadratic. If you click in this button here, the arrow, choose move, then we can change the value, for example, for C. And as you can see, the graph is changing. The same if you change the values for A or for B. Okay? Well, now, right bottom and show label, so we don't see the label. If you can also choose, for example, the completed square form. So we are going to use the completed square form, okay? Now look, because I have 1, 1 and 1.4, I have this. If you change the values, as you can see, the formula, the completed square form also changes, okay? So now you have the quadratic graph with sliders, okay? Now we are going to do the most difficult part of the tutorial, which is we are going to insert here an expression for the formula. So we see the graph, but we also see how the quadratic equation changes, okay? So for that, you click here, then you choose text, and I'm going to put my text here. And then you will see this. You need to click here in LaTeX formula, also advanced, so you see all the features. Now you write this, y equals. Now to choose the slider A, you need to click in this symbol, and here you have the slider A. Now you can write x squared by doing that, plus choose b, x, plus choose c. Okay, click in OK, and voila, you have the formula here. Let's make it this more professional. Right button of the mouse, obviously, then settings, go to color, choose background color, and then choose white. Okay, and this. So this way you can see the equation better. See 1.2, if I move this, you can see that the formula is changing. So this way I can see how the quadratic formula is changing. I can see how the quadratic graph is changing, and I can see also how the completed square formula for the quadratic is also changing. And that's it.